Ciao a tutti! Hello everyone! Welcome to Italian for Beginners. Today we're gonna talk about personality. Personalità. Personalità. With an accent at the end. So let's discover some adjectives referring to someone's personality. Let's start with kind. So we have only one option for singular. So we have gentile, both to refer to a man and a woman. Gentile. Its plural is gentili. Gentile, gentili. Then we have brave. With brave, we go back to the four options. So 2 for the singular and 2 for the plural. The masculine, singular one, is coraggioso. Coraggioso. If we're talking about a woman, that would be coraggiosa. Masculine plural, coraggiosi. Feminine plural, coraggiose. It's the very same thing we have seen with the previous lesson. Okay, you always have to match who are you talking to, or who are you talking about, sorry. Okay, then we have sensitive. Sensitive is sensibile. Sensibile. And that works both for masculine and feminine words. The important thing is that they're singular, okay? For the plural, we only have sensibili. Horrible, because why not? Horrible is orribile. Orribile. Masculine and feminine, but singular, okay? Plural is orribili. Orribile, orribili. Then we go to ambitious. And we go back to the four options. Ambizioso, man. Ambiziosa, woman. Ambiziosi, group of men or a group of men with some women. Ambiziose, group of women only. Okay? Passionate. Appassionato. Appassionata. Appassionati. Appassionate. Curious. Curioso. Curiosa. Curiosi. Curiose. Okay? Cynical. Cinico, masculine singular. Cinica, feminine singular. Cinici, masculine plural. And here we have something that changes for the feminine plural. You need to add an H. Ciniche. So it's not cinice, but ciniche. Okay? Perfect. Then we have dependent, dipendente, singular, both for a man and a woman. Dipendenti, both for men and women. Dipendente, dipendenti. The opposite, indipendente, indipendenti. So we have the two options, one for the singular and one for the plural form. Strong, forte, singular, both for a man and a woman. Forti, plural, both for men and women. Forte, forti. Fun, divertente, singular. Divertenti, plural. Divertente, divertenti. Sweet, dolce, singular. Dolci, plural. Dolce, dolci. Fun fact, dolce in Italian can also mean cake. Intelligent, that is very similar to the English one. Intelligente. Basically, you just need to add an E at the end and you just have to change the pronunciation. Intelligente, singular. Intelligenti, plural. Patient, paziente, singular. Pazienti, plural. If you want to say the opposite, we just have to do as in English. We just have to add I am at the beginning of the word. Impaziente, impatient. Impazienti, plural. Is it clear? Perfect. Generous. That is similar to generoso, masculine singular. Generosa, feminine singular. Generosi, masculine plural. And finally, generose, feminine plural. Generoso, generosa, generosi, generose. Impulsive. Impulsivo. Impulsiva. Impulsivi. Impulsive. Interesting. 2 options only. One for the singular and one for the plural form. Interessante. Interessanti. Interessante. Interessanti. Bad or mean. Cattivo. Cattiva. Cattivi. Cattive. Liar. Bugiardo. Bugiarda. Bugiardi. Bugiarde. Okay? I also remind you that in Italian, the adjectives are always after the word they refer to. It's not like in English. I mean, you can place the adjective in front of the noun, but that would make such a poetic sentence. Actually, it's not that common. Honest, onesto, onesta, onesti, oneste. Lazy, pigro, pigra, pigri, pigre. Okay? Positive, ottimista. That's interesting because ottimista is an adjective both for the masculine and the feminine form, if it's singular. But we have 2 options for the plural, as usual. So, ottimisti, group of men or a group of men with some women. Ottimiste, group of women only. Okay? Negative is the same thing. Pessimista, feminine and masculine singular. And then at the plural we have the 2 possibilities. So the masculine plural one, pessimisti, and the feminine plural one, pessimiste. Reserved, riservato, riservata, riservati, riservate. Okay? Serious, serio, seria, seri. So basically you just have to delete the O. Serie. Okay? Nice or fun as well. Simpatico, simpatica, simpatici. And as we have seen before, for the feminine plural one, you have to add an H. Simpatiche. Okay? It's not simpatice, but simpatiche. And let's practice a little bit with these adjectives. So what I'm going to ask you to do is to describe your personality. What you need to do, basically, if you want, you can use the subject and then the verb to be, followed by the adjectives that represent your personality. Okay? As usual, I advise you to write this description, to pause the video and resume it once you're ready. Okay? Perfect. And this is a very short example. Sono simpatica, ottimista e pigra. Okay? So how was this exercise? Was it a little bit difficult maybe? Was it easy to describe your personality? If you want to comment and express your doubts, of course, feel free to do it. Okay? Awesome. So let's review all the vocabulary we have seen today. As usual, please repeat right after me. Personalità, simpatico, generoso, ottimista, pessimista, orribile, intelligente, coraggioso, dolce, serio, riservato, pigro, onesto, bugiardo, cattivo, interessante, impulsivo, paziente o impaziente, divertente, forte, dipendente o indipendente, cinico, curioso, appassionato, ambizioso, sensibile. Awesome. Perfect. Complimenti. Congratulations. You have just finished another lesson. We have done a lot of vocabulary in this lesson, so take your time to consolidate the knowledge about all the adjectives referring to one's personality, and then I'll wait for you for the next lesson. Great. Have a great day, and thank you for being with me. Ciao. A presto.